Ladies and gentlemen, today I will introduce you PRB oyster series products. Oyster sauce is a variety of condiments in Asian cuisine, particularly in Chinese cooking. It really works in adding the umami flavor, balance the salty and the sweet taste to boost the flavor in marinating and cooking. The quality of the oyster sauce results in the proportion of the oyster extra used. The higher concentration of the extra used, it brings a richer, more flavorful taste and to enhance the depth of the flavor in the dish. So according to the proportion, we have several products. For example, the top grade oyster sauce has 45%. And this is the premium oyster sauce, has 35%. And to the oyster flavor sauce has 10%. Considering the special requirement of the vegetarians, we also have a very special design. It's called the mushroom flavor oyster sauce. We use the mushroom extra to replace the oyster extra. So we can maintain the umami flavor, but also considering the special requirement of the vegetarian needs. To redress the inconvenience of using the traditional oyster bottle, where it is very difficult to control the release quantity and the residue always left on the opening of the bottle, we have a special design we call the squeeze bottle. It allows us to easy use, easy to control the release quantity, and the residues will not left on the opening, remain hydrated. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to use PRB oyster sauce series products for more delicious menus. Thank you and happy cooking.